Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out the new Barbie times ColourPop collection. This is the palette that I'm going to be using today. It's the Malibu Barbie palette. Really cute. Love the colors. I instantly knew what I wanted to do with this palette when I saw it because of some of the colors here. Super excited to get into this look. I'm going to be using, of course, other things from this collection throughout the video as well. On my lids, I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer as my base. First, I'm gonna go in with this color called SoCal. I'm gonna take that color SoCal on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm gonna start by placing this color right in my crease in the front here, and then I'm just going to slowly blend this up. Now I'm going to take this yellow color called West Coast. I'm going to apply West Coast with a Morphe M513 brush. And I'm just going to softly blend out SoCal a little bit more with this yellow color by adding it on the edges of that color and blending it out further. Next, I'm going to take this pink color called Best Coast. I'm going to apply this color with a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to start by applying Best Coast in my crease, blending it into, of course, these orangey yellow colors. And I'm just going to slowly work on blending this up. Next, I'm going to take this color called Malibu Memories. I'm going to take this color on a Morphe M514 brush, and I'm going to add this color right next to the pink. I'm going to start off right in the crease, my eye, and then just kind of blend it upwards this way. But I'm starting low because I really don't want to blend this like too crazy high just yet. I'll blend this into the pink. And now I'm going to go back with West Coast just to further blend that with the blue, which then kind of gives that like purple look there. Now I'm going to take this color called Vintage Doll. I'm going to take this color Vintage Doll on a Morphe M507 brush, and I'm just going to add this to the brow bone as a highlight, blend it down into the other shadows. Now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to carve out this whole section. Now that I did that, I'm going to go back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and carve underneath my eye. To apply my base, I'm going to be using my MAC Cosmetics 248 brush. Now that I have that down, I'm going to take this color called Make Waves and set this whole area with this color. To apply that, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm just going to add it all over the lid. I'm going to also wing it out just a little bit because I am going to be putting liner right here as well. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I feel like this color, what is it called? Make Waves. It doesn't really stand out. I feel like it doesn't, like, I want to be able to tell that it's a cut crease, but I feel like you kind of can, but it's like not really standing out the way I want it to. But it's okay. I'm gonna make it work. I have something, like I have an idea that I feel like will be great for it, but I'm gonna do it towards the end of the eye look. But for now, I'm going to be using the MAC Cosmetics Brushstroke liner in black. I'm gonna do just a nice little wing liner. Okay guys, I finished doing my wing liner and I did the rest of my face off camera. I actually used this color called SoCal as a blush as well. It's really pretty as blush. And I also used their Barbie Golden Peach Cream lipstick in the center of my lips. And their liners are more pinky and I just like brown liners, so of course I used brown liners with this, but this is really pretty. And now I'm going to do the bottom eyeshadow. So I'm going to use basically all of the top colors on the bottom. So first I'm going to go in with this color called SoCal. Just like the top, I'm going to put SoCal in the front area here. And then I'm going to take that yellow color called West Coast again, and I'm going to put it right underneath SoCal just to blend it out more and just add another color on the bottom here. Next, I'm going to take that pink color called West Coast, and I'm going to add it right next to this orange color. Now I'm going to take that blue color called Malibu Memories on a Morphe M508 brush, and I'm going to kind of just wing it out as well. And just blend that out. Now I'm going to use this We Makeup eye pencil in the color Moonstone Butter in my waterline, just to highlight the waterline. Next I'm going to take this color called Cali Girl, and I'm going to put this color in the inner corner of my eye using the Morphe M507 brush. Now I'm going to put on gems all along this cut crease because, like I said earlier, it just doesn't stand out too much to me for some reason. So I'm just going to put gems. I feel like that's going to help a lot. I'm going to do it off camera because it's really tedious, but you kind of get the gist. Just put it along the cut crease, and I'm going to do it with each color as well. So orange, pink, and then blue. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. I love it better with the gems, and I'll show you guys the gems up close right now so you guys get the full picture. But yeah, I really love how it came out. I feel like the gems helped a lot with hiding the cut crease because, like I said, I just felt like it didn't really stand out with this like really peachy toned color. So the cut crease I felt like got like kind of lost. So I feel like the gems kind of like give it a nice little distraction and, you know, a nice little, you know, still cut crease look without really needing it to be defined because it's covered up in a way. So yeah, that's exactly what I was trying to go for with the gems in it, and it did great. I love all the colors. I like this palette. This palette's really cute and fun and different. I feel like ColourPop is always collaborating with very nostalgic type things like Lizzie McGuire and Disney and now Barbie. So I'm really interested to see where they go with these collabs. I feel like they always pick really interesting, nice collabs. There are some brands that pick collabs that are questionable, but I feel like ColourPop always picks really good collabs to do. The lashes are from Lilly Lashes. This is their Miami style that I'm wearing, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!